Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Python tutorial, counting multiple characters in a string. Introduction. Counting the occurrences of multiple characters in a string is a common task in Python programming. In this tutorial, we'll explore various methods to count the occurrences of multiple characters in a given string, along with code examples. Method 1, using a loop. Method 2, using a dictionary comprehension. Method 3, using the counter class from the collections module. Explanation. Using a loop, the first method iterates over each character in the characters string and uses the count method of the input string to count the occurrences of each character. Using a dictionary comprehension, this method is a more concise way of achieving the same result as the first method, using a dictionary comprehension. Using the counter class, the counter class from the collections module simplifies the counting process. It counts the occurrences of each character in the input string, and then a dictionary comprehension is used to filter the results based on the specified characters. Choose the method that best fits your preferences and requirements. These examples provide a solid foundation for counting multiple characters in a string using Python. ChatGPT.